What it do, guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video and all my videos, drop a comment down below, which is hashtag the grind is real. Share this video and all my videos on Instagram. Make sure you follow me at appgrind. And once I reach 4,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick somebody that follow these guidelines and they will get a chance to win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, subscribe now. Now let's get into this video.
What's going on, family? Reggie P here. How would you like to earn $8 in 4 minutes again and again? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Hi, I'm Reggie P. And as you can see, I make videos about making money online. And I also give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And make sure you give me a like because it really helps out my channel and it helps out this video. Also drop a comment down below if you have any questions, opinions, or concerns about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now, before I get into this method, I need you to do me a favor. Follow me on Instagram, because if you follow me on Instagram, that's going to increase your chances of winning some free money once I hit 4,000 subscribers. And it's going to happen this month of September. So go ahead and follow me at AppGrind on Instagram. And also, please type hashtag the grind is real in the comments below, because I'm going to randomly pick a comment and that person is going to win the free money. So make sure you type that in the comments below. Now, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because it's going to be some steps you need to follow, and I don't want you to miss out on making this money. So let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm at this website, and the name of this website is getstencil.com. Now, it says here, create beautiful social media graphics on the fly. Easy to use graphic design tool for bloggers, business owners, and social media marketers. What you're going to be doing, you're going to come to this site and you're going to get things designed to sell to customers. So you're going to be a designer, and you don't have to have any type of skills, because this site is going to make it all for you. So what you're going to do is come here and click on templates. And we're going to go ahead and search for ebook covers. And as you can see, they show all different type of covers, real beautiful covers here. And let's just click on one of them. So as you can see, this is the ebook cover, and you can edit it. So click on edit. It's going to take a second for it to pull up. So now the template is up. And what you can do, when you click here on the cover, as you can see, you can change it to whatever you want to change it to. You can make this blurry. See that look blurry? And if you click on here, you can change the text. Click on here. You can change the text, the name, whatever name you want to name it. Text size, as you can see right there. So you can do anything you want to on here. The cover is already made. All you're going to do is just add the information or the image. So you can just click right here and you can be able to create a new image if you want. Right here you can add text. Right here you can toggle the focus. And if you want to just clear the images, click right here. So it's very, very simple. So what you're going to do, the next step is you're going to go to this other website and you're going to sell your service, which is ebook covers. So let me show you what website we're going to use. It's a couple of websites you can use, but I'm going to go to this very, very popular website that I've talked about several times. All right, I'm on Fiverr. Now I told you, I'm sure you heard this website before. So I went ahead and typed ebook covers. And this came up. And so they make ebook covers and they charge $10. This one make it and they charge $10. Some even charge $25, some even charge $50. So what you're going to do, you're going to open up an account here if you don't have a Fiverr account. You're going to get some templates from getstencil.com, put them as some samples on your page here on Fiverr. So when customers check it out, come across your page, they'll see the samples, and you're going to charge $10. Now that's the ongoing cost that people are charging on here. So you can do that too. If you want to make it higher, you can, or if you're going to make it go all the way to $5 if you want to get more customers. So you're going to use this site and you're going to be able to sell ebooks covers. You don't have to pay any money, 100% profit, except for Fiverr takes $1 or $2. So you're really going to make $8. Now let me show you one other site that you can use to sell your ebook covers. Okay, I'm at the next site, and the name of the site is Guru. So you can come here, and they also have freelancers here, so you'll be able to sell your ebook cover here. Let's just go ahead and look it up and see what pops up here. Okay, as you can see here, they have ebook graphic designers here, ebook covers, and as you can see, starting at $25, $40, $45. So you can come here and, hey, do $10, do $15, do $20, and you'll get a lot of customers because your price is going to be lower than everybody else's on here. Okay, that's it. So again, step 1 is go to getstencil.com. Step 2 is find a template. Step 3 is go to Fiverr. And step 4 is use guru.com. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please, before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button. And please help me to get at least 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please share this all around the internet. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, Grind family, thanks again for your support. Thank you for watching these videos. And make sure you go watch this video here if you want to learn how to make $50 in 25 minutes. Thanks again. Have a safe day. Peace.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind